on, guys. We're going on a road trip. Hey, guys. I'm so excited for the workshop.
When we heard so many people didn't know how to make an animated GIF, we had to create a workshop.
I was flippin' shocked.
I know, me too.
I don't really know how to make one either.
Well, that's what the workshop is for. You're going to learn so much. Come on, check this out.
Oh, wow. That looks amazing. Is it hard to learn?
Nope, it's super easy.
The workshop is perfect for builders, artists, and creators of all levels.
I can't wait.
Join us for the Ultimate Animated GIF Workshop!